2021 GMC Canyon. With less than 33,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.